Now we use modal verbs to show if we believe something is certain, probable, or possible, or not. Remember that we use modals to ask permission, make requests and offers, etc. Now modal verbs fall into the category of auxiliary verbs, which are also known as helping verbs. Now, it means that they are used together with the main verb to give grammatical information and additional meaning to a sentence. Now, we can use the modal verb must, A, to express obligation, duty, or prohibition. Now, this also refers to laws and regulations. Have a look at the examples below. You must wear a seatbelt at all times. Now, in this sentence, must is used to express obligation or duty. And in this sentence, you mustn't use your smartphone while driving. In this sentence, mustn't is used to express prohibition. B, to emphasize the necessity of something. People must drink a lot of water during the day. Necessity. C, to express our certainty in something being true. For example, look, there are puddles everywhere. It must have rained. Meaning that I am certain that it has rained. The same in this sentence. You are still working? You must be tired. D, to give a strong recommendation. You must listen to the song. It's so catchy. Strong recommendation. Now you can use the modal verb may, A, to give permission or prohibit something. For example, if you have finished the test, you may leave the room, giving permission. You may not park here, prohibiting. B, to ask for permission, more polite than can. May I use your bathroom, please? C, to express wishes. May you both live happily. D, in academic or scientific language, to refer to things that typically happen in certain situations. For example, drivers may feel tired after driving for 3 hours straight. Note that we usually use the modal verbs may and might without a significant difference in meaning when expressing possibility. However, might often implies a smaller chance of something happening. Have a look at the example over here. I might go to the movies tonight. I'm not sure. Smaller chance of me going to the movies tonight. Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that we use must to express obligation, duty, or prohibition, to emphasize the necessity of something, and to express certainty in something being true. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks using the appropriate modal verb. You gossip about your coworkers. You mustn't gossip about your coworkers. Kate, go to the doctor. She looks ill. Kate must go to the doctor. She looks ill. John didn't call me last night. He have been busy. John didn't call me last night. He must have been busy. Also, remember that we use may to ask for permission, and we use may or might to express possibility. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks using the appropriate modal verb. I opened the curtains. It's quite dark here. May I open the curtains? It's quite dark here. We go to China for our honeymoon. We are still thinking about it. We might go to China for our honeymoon. We are still thinking about it. Here is a short story using modal verbs. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Do you know why I've been feeling so sick lately? I'm not a doctor. You must set an appointment with one. No, I'm fine. I must be tired from working 12 hours a day. It may be, but you must go to the doctor anyway. I'll try to sleep more. You know that it might get worse, right? Should I come along? That would be great, actually. And now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with must or may. A. The lights are out. They have gone out. B. I borrow your pen, please? C. You go once you fill out the papers. D. We go now, otherwise we'll miss our flight. And now, match the following sentences. A. You may not cross the street here. B. Will you be at home at 8? C. May I borrow your red dress? 1. I might go to a dinner party next week. 2. The traffic is crazy. 3. I might stop by. And now, recreate the situations. Form sentences using must or might. A. Your friend is trying to park his car. Tell him that there is a sign, no parking nearby. B. Your sister is baking a cake. Tell her to follow the recipe. C. You want to go to the movies with your friend, but you're not sure if it is still on. And now, let's check your answers. The lights are out. They must have gone out. May I borrow your pen, please? You may go once you fill out the papers. We must go now, otherwise we'll miss our flight. You may not cross the street here. The traffic is crazy. Will you be at home at 8? I might stop by. May I borrow your red dress? I might go to a dinner party next week. You mustn't park here. You must follow the recipe. We might go to the movies. Thank you for watching this tutorial.